Hello my dear students, let us start our today's class with solution of assignment 7. Now our first question is, an object 4 cm high is placed at a distance of 27 cm in front of a convex lens of focal length 18 cm. Find the position, nature and the size of the image found. So here given conditions are the object distance, that is u, and always u will be minus, so here u is minus 27 centimeter, and focal length of a convex lens is always positive, so f is equals to plus 18 centimeter, and h is equals to height of the object, that is plus 4 centimeter. As we measure the height of the object above the principal axis, so it is also positive. And finally we have to measure the distance of the image, that is v. For that we will use the lens formula, that is 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. Now our target is to derive the focal image distance, that is v. So except v, transpose all the terms to the right hand side and then substitute their value with proper sign convention. Now see, 1 by v is equals to 1 by 54, that is v equals to plus 54 centimeter. Means the image distance is plus 54, that is on the other side of the lens, and it is real image. Now we have to derive the size of the image or height of the image. Now from magnification relation we know m equals to h prime by h equals to v by u. So from this relation we will get h prime equals to v by u into h. Now again we have to substitute the value of v, u and h, but remember with their proper sign. See here, v is 54 plus 54, u is minus 27 and h is plus 4. So h prime we will get minus 8 centimeter. Thus the size of image is 8 centimeter, and negative sign shows that the image is inverted. That means downward to the principal axis. Next question number 2. What is the power of a convex lens of focal length 40 centimeter? So here f is equals to 40 centimeter. So we have to use the formula here, power p equals to 100 by f. So see, we have two formula for power to derive power, p equals to 1 by f and p equals to 100 by f. If the focal length is given in unit of meter, then you have to use the formula p equals to 1 by f. But see here, the focal length is in centimeter, then you have to use the formula p equals to 100 by f. So substitute the value of f, the power what we will get, plus 2.5 diopter. Clear? Next question number 3. Two lenses have power, option A plus 2 diopter and option B minus 4 diopter. Now what is the nature and focal length of each lenses? Now let us discuss the first option, that is power is equals to plus 2 diopter. Since the power is positive here, the lens is convex lens. Clear? And now the focal length, f is equals to 1 by p. This is we are getting from the relation power equals to 1 by f equals to 1 by p. Now see here, if you substitute the power of the lens, then the focal length you will get in unit of meter. Means just substitute the value of p, that is 2. So f will be 0.5 meter. So then you can convert it into centimeter, it will be 50 centimeter. So if you use the formula f equals to 100 by p, then directly you can get the focal length in terms of unit centimeter. But as we are using f equals to 1 by p, First you will get in the focal length in unit of meter, then you have to convert it into centimeter. Clear? Next, option B, power is equals to -4 diopter. Since the power is negative here, the lens is concave lens. And the focal length f equals to 1 by p, that is f equals to 1 by -4, that is minus 0.25 meter equals to minus 25 centimeter. Next, question number 4. An object of size 5 centimeter is kept at a distance of 25 centimeter from the optical center of a converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Calculate the distance of the image from the lens and size of the image. Now see here, height of the object, that is h equals to 5 centimeter, and always it is plus 5 centimeter, and the distance of the object, that is u equals to minus 25 centimeter. Here we have considered the sign convention, u is always negative. Now let us discuss about the focal length of the lens. See here, whether it is convex lens or concave lens, the information is not given here directly, but from the term converging lens we can conclude it is a convex lens. Converging lens is also another term of convex lens, and diverging lens means concave lens. So this one is convex lens, so f is plus 10 centimeter. Now our target is to derive the distance of the image, that is v, and the height of the image, that is h prime. Now first we will use the lens formula, that is 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. Now substitute all the variables with their proper sign convention, and 1 by v we will get 3 by 50, that is v equals to 50 by 3, that is plus 16.67 centimeter. So from the positive sign we can conclude the image is at a distance of 16.67 centimeter from the optical center on the other side that of the lens, that of the object. Clear? Next, from magnification relation m equals to h prime by h equals to v by u, from there h prime we will get v by u into h. Now here I will advise you to substitute the value of variables with their fractional term, not the decimal terms. Okay, if you use the variable with their fractional terms, it will be easy to calculate. Now substitute all the variables. H prime we will get minus 10 by 3, that is minus 3.33 centimeter. So from negative sign we can conclude the height of the image or size of the image is inverted. Image is inverted, so it is minus 3.33 centimeter. Now let us discuss some numericals related to concave lens. See, a divergent lens has focal length of 20 centimeter. At what distance should an object from the lens be placed so that an image is formed 10 centimeter away from the lens? What is the magnification produced by the lens? Now see, from the given information, it is a divergent lens, so we can conclude it is a concave lens, means f will be minus 20. So, and see here, the object image distance is given 10 centimeter away from the lens. So we know always for concave lens, image formed on the same size as that of the object, means v is always negative. So v we can write v is equals to minus 10 centimeter. Now our target is to derive the object distance, that is u, and magnification produced by the lens. First we will use the lens formula, that is 1 by v equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. Now, as our target is to derive the object distance u, so except u, transpose all the terms to one side and u in one side. So 1 by v minus 1 by f equals to 1 by u. Therefore, 1 by u equals to 1 by v minus 1 by f. Now we have to substitute the value of v and f, and be very careful with their sign. And always I will advise to substitute their value with write the value with a bracket. So 1 by u equals to 1 by minus 10 minus 1 by minus 20. So what we will get? 1 by u equals to minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20, means minus 1 by 20. Therefore, u, the object distance, is equals to minus 20 centimeter. Thus, object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of the lens. So, then magnification m is equals to v by u equals to minus 10 by minus 20, that is equals to 1 by 2 or 0.5. Thus, magnification produced by the lens is here 1 by 2 or 0.5. Clear? Now, this much is for today's class. Thank you.